made it on board. We are in room 6622, and we have 6 rooms on this floor that all look identical to this. So we will link what those room numbers are down below. So we just got checked in. It's literally 1:12, so we've been in the room 12 minutes, and we want to make sure we give you guys a first look at our room. So we are in a balcony stateroom. It's just me and Andrew, so there's 2 of us in here. We've got a full bed. But I'll start here with our couch. It's actually a really big couch for a cruise room. So then over here we have our huge bed. So we got the 2 twins pushed together to make one gigantic bed here. There's like a little privacy curtain here, so that's really nice. Looks like we've got 2 here, 2 US plugs, and I guess we should have brought our adapters because they do have 1 European plug over here. It's the very last day of our cruise, and I just discovered something in our room while on hold with guest services. The phone next to the bed has this little language right here. It says USB port. And wouldn't you know, I plugged in my iPhone cord and then plugged it into my phone. It is a charger. So there is a USB plug in the phone next to the bed. So not only can you use this as an extra charging port, but you can also have your phone next to the bed for an alarm. We've got this for if we want announcements on or off. Probably turn them down a little. We got some cookies in our room that I wasn't allowed to eat yet. And some free drinks when we boarded. A decent sized closet. We've got like some hanging bars up here, and then these extra hanging bars, and then Andrew will show you there's a ton of shelving over here. And there are about 8 hangers. So if you're like the 2 of us traveling for 4 nights, you probably have more than 8 things. So I brought some spare hangers for us. The bathroom. It's un pequeño, a little small. But we got our typical cruise toilet. Got a rounded shower. These are actually pretty nice because I hate when the shower curtains touch you. They like up to you when you're taking a shower here. So, especially with everything going on, I'm glad that I don't have to touch one of those. Okay, looks like we've got some bath soap here, just probably for washing your hands. And there was a 2-in-1 shampoo body wash in the shower. So not really great amenities here. Good thing that we didn't have to fly here. So I brought all my full-size cosmetics that I will be putting somewhere in this bathroom. Alright, so they just redid this ship. They spent hundreds of millions of dollars. Look at that. So, good amount of storage, but honestly, for a brand new ship, or renovated ship, it's not super nice. The rooms did feel a little bit old and a little dated, but you know, they put the money in all the fun stuff and you don't spend that much time in your room anyways. Now, for the best part, the outside. We've got 6 rooms all in a row out here, so they won't actually open these things anymore. I had read online that they used to open them for you, but now they don't. That concludes our room tour. We're gonna go check out the rest of the ship. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah. Oh, those might work better, but we'll work on that. Mine's in my bag. I gotta go wait for my bag to get here.